Hazrat Rafi'u bin Khudayj radiyallahu anhu says, at Zul Hulayfa we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the people felt hungry. They caught hold of some camels and goats which were slaughtered, whereas the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was behind them. So they showed haste in cooking and put the casserole on the fire. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed the orders to overturn the casserole. So the command was followed hurriedly. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed the booty and counted 10 goats equal to a camel. One of the camels fled away. The people ran to catch it, but it humbled them. A man shot it with an arrow, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu halted it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some of these corrupt are like wild animals, so treat the animals that shows ferocity in the same way. Abaya bin Rafi'a says, my grandfather submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We anticipate or fear that tomorrow we will confront the enemies and we do not have got a knife. So can we slaughter with bamboo wood? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whatever causes the blood to flow and Allah's name has been mentioned on it, the animal, then eat it, provided it is not a tooth or a fingernail. I also tell you its reason. Listen, tooth is a bone, and as for nail, it is the knife of the Ethiopians. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3075.